Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how can you use temporary email to sign up for any platform. Today I'm going to sign up on Quora.com using temporary email. Open your Google Chrome and tap temp mail, hit enter, and you'll see there are a lot of services who are providing temporary mail. I'm just going to go with this one. It's called tempmailwo.com. Okay, you can see this and a brand new email is generated. Just copy this mail, come to Quora and hit sign up with email. When you sign up, just write your name. I'm gonna just call it John Smith and I'm going to paste that email address. Hit next. Please enter the code sent to this. Now open your email account and you will see you will receive a code from Quora. You will receive a code from Quora.com. See, just hit enter and then copy this code and put it in your Quora account. Hit next. Now you have to set up a password. I'm just going to solve this captcha first. The lights, verify it. I'm gonna A B C D E 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now hit finish. Congratulations, you have created a Quora account using temporary mail. Now if you want to set up, let me just go through with this and hit done. Congratulations, you have created your Quora account using temporary mail. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, then hit the like button. Peace out.